What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use Reddit, okay? One of my favorite social medias that was how internet used it to be. It used forums to discuss things, to solve problems, to learn, to understand, and to share ideas. So go to Google and type Reddit, and you're gonna be able to find Reddit, the heart of the internet. Enter with the reddit.com. You already can read, you already can learn. There is no problem. You have no need to create an account to read, to learn from, but to participate, to create posts, to create communities, to join communities, you must have an account. So review the upper right corner of my screen. There is an orange button called login. Click on it. Then you can log in or you can sign up. So next, new to Reddit, sign up. Now you can create with your phone number, with your Google or with Apple, or share your email and password, okay? So you can have an option to subscribe to their emails, up to you, I don't want it. You can share more about you if you're a man, a woman. You can share your popular interests. You can share about sports. And do your way on Fever. Click on continue after selecting all the options that you like. The Reddit gonna be setting all things up for you. You can enable the dark mode. Go to your profile, click on dark mode. The profile is on the upper right corner of my screen, and now you can already create posts, okay? If you click on create, you can search for a community or you can share your own community in the case that you want, okay? It's up to you. You can enter a title and share the description. You can enter images or you can enter links, okay? For example, in the case that you want to share a link of one of your blog posts, it's just like this. Now Reddit gonna asks, where would you like to share this? You can create a custom feed, you can create a community, for example. Let me create a community, just an example, okay? My blog, it's the community. My blog. The community has been created. You can enter a banner or an icon in the case that you want. You can enter some topics for the community. Of course, this is just an example. You can set this community as public. Now, in the case that you want, you can create posts into this community. Now, if you go to this post, link, enter the link, you can post into your community. And here is the post. Now all the Reddit can see the posts and discuss with you, okay? And of course, share the posts. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!